If you happen to be watching this from YouTube or Rumble, welcome to the Digital Marketing Warrior channel, the place to come to be inspired in creating your wealth. In today's video, I'm going to be going over this ClickMagick tutorial on how to create tracking links for any affiliate offer that you may be promoting in your business right now in a very simple, step-by-step, easy to follow kind of tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out when I roll out some new content. So if you're promoting a business right now, regardless of whatever business opportunity that you're selling, doesn't matter what it is essential for both paid traffic and free traffic that you create not affiliate links, but you create tracking links for your company offers that you're promoting. You cannot just simply use a naked affiliate link. That is a big no-no. You want to make sure that you track your data so that you can find out what is working in your business. So what I'm going to go ahead and do right now is I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and show you how you can use ClickMagick to do just that. So give me a moment to share my screen right over here and we'll get this tutorial started. Okay. Sharing my screen here. Okay, so you can see that this is the ClickMagick website. So I'm going to go ahead and log in right over here. So what you want to go ahead and do from here, if you want to create a tracking link, this is what you do. So let me go ahead and zoom in over here so you can better see how I'm doing this. So go ahead and click on where it says links. And then from there, as you can see, I have a lot of tracking links that I've created over the time that I've been marketing online. But don't focus on that. What you want to focus on, bring to your attention here is click on where it says this green plus new link bar. Click on that. Now, this is what I want you to do from here. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and go pop right over here. Let's say I want to use this affiliate link, create a tracking link for. So what you want to do from here, see where it says primary URL? You want to go ahead and make sure that you get rid of this HTTPS. Make sure you backspace that and get rid of that. Otherwise, if you paste it in and leave it as is, the tracking link is not going to show up right when you preview it. So it's very important that you understand that. Now, what you want to do from here is you want to paste in your affiliate link under primary URL. And then where it says link name, you want to give your tracking link a name. So let's say that I'm doing a paid traffic run. So I could be saying here, let's say I want to do a traffic run with someone by the name of, I'll just make up an example, Michael G. So I would do Michael G. And after that, you want to also put how many clicks are you running with your vendor that you're buying traffic from. So with Michael G, let's say I'm doing 100 clicks just to test out, how the conversion is. So I would put 100 clicks, test. And then if you're promoting more than one offer, I highly recommend that you also put in the link name abbreviation of whatever your company offer is. So let's say for this one, I'm going to go ahead and just title this FDH, because that is the name of one of the offers I'm currently promoting right now. And for the tracking link, you want to just go ahead and abbreviate something that is easy to remember. So for this link name that we just came up with right over here, you want to go ahead and just come up with an abbreviation for it. So you could say Mike G 100 test FDH. And then what you want to do from here is you want to create the link. So leave the link group as is. Make sure you actually fill out the link name, the tracking link, and very important that you do the primary URL first where your affiliate link goes. So from there, you create your link. Now, so that you don't, if you have a lot of tracking links that you've created like I have, as you can see, I have like over 28 pages of tracking links. Rather than going through them one by one, just search for your tracking link where it says search links right in this area. So earlier we named it Michael G. So you could just type in the first letter or first two words of your link name. So we're going to track Michael G. Click that in the search. Boom, there it is right there. And for every tracking link that you create, you want to make sure that you test it before you actually use it to promote. So how you actually preview it? Well, click on the link name and then see where it says the page with the magnifier glass right over here. And then you'll see something that pops up in which it says preview link. Click that. And as you can see, the capture page does work. So make sure that you do that every time. Sometimes if you do this really fast, sometimes you can miss something. And it's always a good idea to preview your capture page links when you create a tracking link before you actually use it to promote. Now, let's say I want to use this same capture page. I'm going to show you a really cool trick that I learned recently in which you can actually leverage to your advantage. Let's say that I want to use this same capture page link that I just created for this paid traffic I'm about to run. But rather than just going through the whole process again, this is what's cool that you can do in ClickMagick. So I'm going to exit out of here and see where it has the little pencil icon. You want to click on that. Go where it says clone link. Click on that. And then let's say I want to use this same affiliate link for, let's say I want to use it for Facebook, for example. So I could say that, and by the way, this is just examples sake. So I'm just showing you different ways that you can go ahead and create tracking links for your affiliate link using the same capture page. So for this example, we're going to just do Facebook post, and let's say it's going to go out to tomorrow. Facebook post 7/15/2021. And then here you just abbreviate. I like to just abbreviate the link name of the tracking link that I'm creating. So since I named it Facebook post 7/15/2021, I would just do FB PST 7/15/21. And I would just clone that link when I'm done. Now, watch what happens when you search for that link. So we're going to go ahead where it says search links right over here. And you're going to type in the link, the name of the link that you created. So in this example, we're going to type in Facebook post. And there it is. Let's preview it. Make sure everything is good. Boom. There you go. So I just showed you some really cool ways of how you can actually create tracking links for your affiliate offers that you're promoting in your business. ClickMagick is absolutely an exceptional tool to use in your marketing. I highly recommend it if you're promoting a business online right now. So let me go ahead and stop sharing my screen right over here and come back to you over here. I trust you got a ton of value out of this ClickMagick tutorial video. And if you're curious to know what is it that you can do right now to start leveraging your business and creating that leverage that you're looking for to scale your business on a more grand scale, this is what I would like you to do if you're watching from the Facebook Live right now. Either to the right of this video or down below this video, comment the words "I'm interested," and I'll be sure to inbox you privately on Messenger with all the details. If you're watching this from YouTube or Rumble, this is what I would like you to do. There will be a link directly below in the video description for my #1 recommendation for creating weekly capital for your business. I want you to click on that link, opt in with your best name and email. You'll be redirected to a page with a video presentation on it. Watch those video presentations all the way through, lock in your spot, get positioned as soon as possible so that you can start scaling your business on a more grand scale so that you can create that leverage in your business that you're looking for. With that said, this is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video today. Have an amazing day wherever you may be, whatever time that you're watching this from. I'll see you on the next video very soon. Take care.